I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to add a recovery phone number to your Google account. Step 1. Open your web browser, navigate to myaccount.google.com, and sign in to your Google account if prompted. Step 2. Click Security and Sign in the menu on the left side of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down to the How You Sign Into Google section and click Recovery Phone. You may be asked to re-enter your password for security purposes. Step 4. Click Add Recovery Phone. Step 5. Enter the phone number you want to use for account recovery and click Next. A window pops up asking you to make sure this is the number you want to use as the recovery phone number for this Google account. Confirm and click Save. Your recovery phone number is now linked to your Google account. As a quick tip, you should also consider adding a recovery email address as a backup using this same general method. Having both a phone number and a separate email address gives you multiple options to verify your identity if you ever lose access to your primary device. It is also a good practice to revisit these settings once a year to make sure the listed numbers and email addresses are still active and accessible. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.